So I'll be showing you how to hide text message notification previews or contents from the lock screen of your iPhone, so that when you get a text message like this, you cannot see the contents of that particular message on the lock screen. Now, even when the phone is unlocked, but you're still on the lock screen, it's not going to show the contents of that notification. On iPhone, these contents are called preview. So to do this, go to your iPhone's settings. On the main settings page, go to notifications, tap on that. Under notifications, scroll down and find messages. So let's go and find messages. There you go, tap on that. And first of all, we have notifications for text messages allowed, because if they're not allowed, then you'll not see any of the other settings. So make sure those are allowed. But then we want to hide the preview or the contents of that notification from the lock screen. So under lock screen appearance, you can see show previews. It's set to when unlocked. So as long as you're still on the lock screen, even when your phone is unlocked, it's gonna show the contents of the preview of that notification. So we want to never show. So select never, and that's going to completely hide notification previews or contents from the lock screen. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.